Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are taking a deep and detailed look at this stunning 2026 futuristic luxury motorhome concept that looks like it has arrived straight from the future. This vehicle is not just a motorhome, it is a bold vision of how luxury, technology, and design could come together on wheels in the coming years. From the very first glance, this concept clearly targets people who want ultimate comfort, exclusivity, and a next-level travel experience. Let's start with the exterior, because that is where this motorhome immediately grabs attention. The design is low, wide, and extremely aerodynamic for a vehicle of this size. The sharp angles, smooth flowing body panels, and futuristic curves make it look more like a high-end concept car than a traditional RV. The massive panoramic front windshield blends seamlessly into the body, giving the front a clean and aggressive appearance. Slim LED lighting elements run across the front and sides, adding a high-tech signature while improving visibility at night. The multi-axle setup with large premium wheels not only enhances stability but also gives the motorhome a powerful road presence. Every detail on the exterior feels purposeful, from the flush panels to the camera-style mirrors, suggesting better aerodynamics, reduced wind noise, and improved efficiency on long highway journeys. Moving inside, the interior feels like stepping into a luxury hotel suite on wheels. The layout is open, spacious, and designed to make long-distance travel feel effortless. High-quality materials dominate the cabin, including premium leather seating, soft-touch surfaces, modern wood trims, and brushed metal accents. Ambient lighting runs throughout the interior, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere that can be customized depending on mood or time of day. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood in, making the space feel even more open while offering beautiful views of the surroundings. The living area is clearly designed for comfort and entertainment. Plush reclining seats face a large digital display that controls infotainment, navigation, climate, and vehicle systems. The sound system appears to be premium grade, delivering a cinema-like experience whether you're watching movies or listening to music while parked or cruising. Storage solutions are smartly hidden, maintaining a clean and clutter-free look. The kitchen area is modern and minimalist, featuring an induction cooktop, concealed appliances, sleek cabinets, and high-end finishes that make it feel more like a luxury apartment kitchen than a motorhome galley. The bedroom area continues this luxury theme with a full-size bed, soft lighting, and excellent sound insulation for privacy and restful sleep. The design focuses on relaxation, with high-quality fabrics, smart storage, and easy access to controls for lighting and climate. The bathroom area is equally impressive, offering a modern shower, premium fittings, and efficient space utilization, all finished to a high standard that rivals upscale hotels. When it comes to performance, this 2026 motorhome concept is expected to feature an advanced electric or hybrid powertrain. Given the futuristic nature of the design, a fully electric setup seems most likely, delivering smooth, silent acceleration and impressive torque despite the vehicle's size. A multi-motor all-wheel drive system would ensure strong traction and stability in different driving conditions, whether on highways or uneven roads. Adaptive air suspension would automatically adjust ride height and stiffness, providing a smooth and comfortable ride while maintaining control and confidence. Advanced driver assistance systems are expected to play a major role in the driving experience. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering, collision avoidance, and automated parking would make this large motorhome surprisingly easy to drive. With autonomous driving technology continuing to evolve, highway hands-free driving could turn long trips into a relaxing experience where the driver can focus more on comfort and less on constant steering and braking. Noise insulation and vibration control would be top-tier, ensuring a quiet and refined ride even at higher speeds. In terms of range and efficiency, a luxury electric motorhome like this could realistically offer around 450 to 550 kilometers on a full charge, depending on battery size and driving conditions. Fast charging capability would be essential, allowing quick top-ups during long journeys. Some concepts may also include solar panels integrated into the roof to support auxiliary systems and improve energy efficiency while parked. Now let's talk about pricing. A motorhome with this level of design, technology, and luxury would clearly sit at the very top of the market. For 2026, the expected starting price could be around $350,000, with higher-end versions easily crossing the $500,000 mark. Customization options such as advanced autonomous features, upgraded interior materials, premium entertainment systems, and personalized layouts could push the price even further. This vehicle is aimed at buyers who want something truly exclusive, combining luxury living with futuristic mobility. To sum it up, this 2026 futuristic luxury motorhome concept represents a bold step forward in road travel. It blends striking exterior design, a refined and comfortable interior, advanced performance technology, and premium features into one impressive package. While it may still be a concept, it clearly shows the direction in which luxury motorhomes are heading. If vehicles like this make it into production, the future of long-distance travel will be more comfortable, stylish, and technologically advanced than ever before. Stay connected with MHCR Review for more detailed reviews of futuristic cars and luxury motorhomes coming soon.